Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so just when you think the bears are in control, that they're going to run the table and do what they need to do with this market, here come the bulls. 1402 to 1401 to 1403 is essentially a support zone at this point, and it's going to remain a support zone until price proves it wrong. We traded as high as 1413 in the overnight, and right now we're backing off. We backed off to the 1408. The economic news didn't knock the market down, and 1406 is going to be initial support. At least it's going to get the benefit of the doubt on my chart. Now 1406 has been the price of the day for the last two sessions. Essentially, prices has intersected that level throughout the day. So the bulls need to hold 1406. They need to demonstrate to the market that 1406 is underneath them and it's going to create a floor. If that happens, then the bulls can work on the 1415 level that's overhead. That was the difficult level last week that tended to be a price magnet in both directions that eventually was conquered by the bears. So the bulls have to get back over 15. If the bulls get back over 15, then we can start to think about areas like 1424, 1430 to 1435. But for now, it's kind of baby steps. We have to make sure from a bullish perspective that the 1406 is resolved. If you're a bear, you want to see this 1413 Globex high hold. You want to get back below the 1406 and go back to work on that 1401 to 1403 area. If you can get through that, then you're looking at 1398, which is the area of the yellow line here, the 100-day exponential moving average. A crack of 98 pretty much hands you 93, and if it really accelerates, we could go right down to the middle band there at 1389. And that's, that is where I would expect to see a decent bounce right off that middle band. If that were to occur, the bears are going to be a little bit emboldened because as they look at the daily chart here, they're going to see how the bulls now for three occasions, if we were to fail here, 1, 2, 3 occasions, could not get back to the upper band. So relative to the Bollinger Bands, this is a relative high with respect to the Bollinger Bands. And what I mean by that is this high is a lot closer to the upper Bollinger Band than this high, but it's still not the band. If you made me pick a side, I'm still going to go with my upside target of 1430 to 1435, simply because for the reasons I've mentioned, I think a fiscal cliff deal gets done. I think that we're in a gigantic buy the rumor, but you're not going to buy the rumor straight up when you've been green 10 out of 11 days, which is what this is. We did 1340 to 1424 straight up off the deck. That's 84 handles straight up basically off the deck, except for this little geopolitical pause. And we had to work that off for a couple of days. But if these levels hold, if these moving averages hold, and we don't even test the middle band on a comeback, then that really does open up the path to a decision time up on 24 for a double top or new highs, and my money would be on new highs. Okay? So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. We remain in a headline minefield. Use stops, be hedged, make your money, move on to the next trade. Okay, I'll see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.